Social media is transforming, shifting power from corporations to the individual. In Web3, users hold the keys to their data, content, and online interactions. Imagine a digital space where you control what you create and share without anyone profiting off your data or censoring your voice. This guide introduces the new age of social media, where freedom and privacy come first. Try exploring a decentralized platform like Mastodon or Minds, known for community-driven moderation and user-owned data. Reflect on the experience and how it differs from traditional social media platforms. Centralized platforms like Facebook and Twitter retain control over content and data, shaping user feeds, prioritizing ad revenue, and often censoring content. These platforms limit user freedom by monetizing personal information and filtering what's visible based on algorithms. In Web3, users can escape these limitations and operate freely. Facebook's data breach controversies show how vulnerable personal data can be on centralized platforms, highlighting the need for a user-controlled, privacy-first model. Take a look at your current social media settings, especially privacy policies, and note what data is accessible to the platform. This awareness can emphasize the benefits of decentralized social media alternatives. In Web3, social media platforms are decentralized, powered by blockchain technology, and built to respect user autonomy. With blockchain's distributed ledger, no central authority controls or monetizes user data. Web3 empowers people to connect directly without intermediaries, creating spaces where individuals own their content and connections. Lens Protocol is a blockchain-based social media platform where users control data and can port their profiles across apps without third-party control. Set up a Web3 wallet like MetaMask to explore decentralized apps. Many Web3 social media platforms require wallets for access, providing first-hand experience of how these platforms prioritize user privacy. Web3 redefines data ownership, allowing users to own and secure their digital identities. In decentralized networks, your profile and content aren't managed by a third party but are stored on the blockchain, accessible only to you. This means users can move their data between platforms seamlessly, retaining control and privacy at every step. Imagine a single profile that travels with you across platforms, so you never need to recreate your profile. Ethereum Name Service, ENS, offers this kind of decentralized identity. Set up an ENS or a similar decentralized identity to understand what it means to control your online presence in Web3. In Web3, content censorship is minimized, giving users control over what they share and consume. Decentralized networks prioritize freedom of expression where content isn't hidden or altered by algorithms or profit-driven corporations. Web3 social media allows all voices to participate without fear of shadow banning or removal. For example, Minds, a Web3 social network, is user-moderated and built for open discourse. Community guidelines are decided collectively rather than imposed by centralized management. Practical tip: explore Minds to see the difference in content moderation. This platform shows how community-driven rules can balance freedom with respect, providing a different experience than mainstream platforms. Chapter 5. Earning and monetizing direct rewards without middlemen. Web3 opens new avenues for creators to earn directly from their content. With decentralized tools like NFTs, tokenized content, and community support through DAOs, creators can earn revenue without platform fees or restrictions. Web3 monetization models prioritize creators, allowing them to receive direct support from their audience. For example, Mirror.xyz is a platform where creators can sell content as NFTs, receiving direct payments from fans without third-party intervention. A practical tip: if you're a creator, experiment with tokenizing a piece of content on a platform like Mirror or using Patreon alternatives in Web3. This offers insight into direct monetization and shows how Web3 removes the middleman. Chapter 6. Privacy and security: owning your content and data. Privacy is a priority in Web3 social media. Data is stored on decentralized servers, secured by encryption and accessible only to the user. Unlike traditional social media, where user data is often at risk of breaches or unauthorized access, Web3 social media platforms are designed to ensure user data security and privacy from the ground up. Privacy-focused platforms like Status prioritize encryption, giving users full control over their interactions and messages. A practical tip: try using Status or another encrypted platform to understand the security Web3 offers. Experience private conversations in Web3 where your messages are secured by decentralized encryption and owned solely by you. Chapter 7. The future of Web3 social media, emerging trends and next steps. Web3 social media is still evolving, with innovations in community governance, digital identities, and virtual interactions reshaping what's possible online. Future developments may include enhanced user-driven content guidelines, richer virtual worlds for interaction, and the integration of DAOs for community management. These trends are setting the stage for social media experiences that are inclusive, transparent, and user-focused. For example, DAOs offer an innovative way for communities to govern themselves on Web3 platforms, allowing users to vote on platform rules, content guidelines, and monetization models. A practical tip: stay updated on trends by following Web3 news on platforms like CoinDesk or Decrypt. This keeps you informed on emerging Web3 social media developments and offers insights into how these platforms continue to grow. Conclusion: embrace the future of social media in Web3. Web3 social media offers a future where users own their content, control their data, and have full freedom of expression. By embracing decentralized platforms, users can experience a new level of autonomy, privacy, and financial freedom online. Ready to explore the future? Dive into Web3 social media today and reclaim your online presence.